Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a broken gradient look in Photoshop for web use. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document at your desired size. Go to the gradient tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Select the gradient you wish to use from the gradient options at the top. If the gradient looks broken or incomplete, double-click the gradient bar to. Here, you can adjust color stops to fix your gradient. To add a new color stop, click directly below the gradient bar. Choose a color from the color picker and assign it to the selected stop. You can also delete stops by selecting them and clicking the delete button. Once you're satisfied with the gradient, click OK to apply the changes. Next, click and drag on your canvas to apply the gradient. If needed, adjust the angle or scale in the options bar to get the desired effect. Once your gradient looks good, consider adding a new layer. Use a solid color or texture to enhance the gradient if necessary. Merge the layers if you want to keep them together by right-clicking the layers and selecting Merge Layers. To save your work for web use, go to File, then Export, and select Save for Web. Choose the file format that best suits your needs, such as JPEG or PNG. Adjust the quality settings to balance file size and image quality. Click Save and choose your destination folder. Your restored gradient is now ready for web use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.